Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving headfirst into something that can strike fear into the hearts of many exams. But don't worry, because I'm not just here to talk about them. I'm here to show you, step by step, how to conquer a terrifying exam. Prepare to be shocked at how doable it can be. First things first, the mindset. Exams aren't the enemy, they're opportunities. A chance to showcase what you've learned. Approach it with curiosity, not dread. Think of it as a puzzle, a challenge to be solved. This shift in perspective is crucial. It's the foundation upon which your success will be built. Next, the preparation. This is where the real magic happens. Start by understanding the exam format. What sections are there? How much time is allocated to each section? What types of questions will be asked? Knowing the rules of the game is half the battle. Then, create a study schedule. Be realistic. Don't cram everything in the last night. Break down your study sessions into manageable chunks. And include regular breaks. This prevents burnout and helps you retain information. Consider the Pomodoro technique. Study intensely for 25 minutes. Then take a 5-minute break. Repeat this cycle, and after 4 cycles, take a longer break of 20 to 30 minutes. This structured approach can significantly boost your productivity. Now, let's talk study techniques. Passive reading? Not ideal. Active recall is your friend. This means testing yourself regularly. Use flashcards, practice questions, and teach the material to someone else. Explain concepts in your own words. This solidifies your understanding. Focus on understanding, not memorizing. If you truly understand a concept, you can apply it to different problems, regardless of how they are phrased. Also, consider creating mind maps or concept maps to visualize the relationships between different concepts. This is a powerful tool for visual learners. During the exam, manage your time wisely. Quickly scan the entire exam to get a sense of the questions. Then, prioritize. Tackle the questions you know you can answer first. This builds confidence and earns you points quickly. Don't get stuck on one question. If you're struggling, move on and come back to it later. Make a note of the questions you skipped, so you don't forget to return to them. Read each question carefully. Underline key words. Make sure you understand what's being asked. Before answering, plan your response. What points do you want to make? How will you structure your answer? This prevents rambling and keeps you focused. For multiple choice questions, eliminate the obviously wrong answers first. This increases your chances of selecting the correct option.